Alright everybody, here's your core bites number 109. So the first one says, is 93 a multiple of 3, 6, or 9? Okay, so what you need to do is you add 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you say, okay, can we divide 12 by our first number, 3? We can. That's 4. Okay, so that means that it would be a multiple of 3. So you could multiply 3 times something to give you that. Okay? And then for your other ones, you do the same thing. So if you take 9, 10, actually you would divide. So if you divide 93 divided by 6, you would actually get a remainder. So that's why that would not work. And then for 93 divided by 9, you would also get a remainder. So it has to be a whole number. You can't have remainder. So the only one that actually would work for this would be 3. For number 2, what number is represented by the model? So you've got 2 hundreds. You've got 2 tens. So for this one, guys, you have 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones. So that would equal 222. 2 hundreds, 2 tens, 2 ones. So 222. For number 3, you're multiplying. So you've got 10 times 1/3. So what you do is you just add a 1 under that and then just multiply across with your numerator and denominator. So 10 times 1 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. So that's 10/3. And then you just divide to find your mixed number. So divide 10 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So you have 1/3. So your answer is 3 1/3. For number 4, how many feet are in 36 inches? Well, if you know that 12 inches equal 1 foot, 36 divided by 12 would give you 3. Okay? And then for number 5, what type of lines are represented? Because they are crossing like this, we would call them intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. All right, guys, check yours.